I know grapes on chicken sounds crazy, but wait until you see how they roast down in the oven. Juicy chicken thighs, caramelized grapes, shallots, crispy roasted potatoes, all in one pan. This might be one of the best, easiest dinners I ever made. So stay tuned and let's do this. I'm slicing this garlic like really thin slices because I'm going to lay these right in my vegetables. Okay guys, this is a shallot. I'm going to cut both of the tips off the shallot and I am going to peel the shallot and I'm going to quarter these shallots. And I'm going to stick these in a big bowl. Okay, I've got some button mushrooms that I've cut up. Okay, I got some baby red potatoes, and I'm going to roast these with our dinner. I got some baby peeled carrots. Then I'm going to add all of this, and I'm going to mix all of this up. Okay, so now I've got my grapes. These grapes are delicious. These are juicy, white, plump grapes. A little tangy, little sweet, and these are perfect for this dish. So I'm just going to mix all this up, guys. I'm going to be using my Be Sure to Seasoning Blend, and you can get this on our show. Just go down to the bottom of the link and click, or you can go to Amazon.com. Okay, we're going to be using some of this Be Sure to Seasoning Blend. Okay, you can get this at your local grocery store. This is called Zaatar. This is also a Middle Eastern seasoning blend. Oh, it's good. You know, I like all kind of seasons, guys. Any kind of season you throw at me, I like. And I'm going to sprinkle, I sprinkle about a half teaspoon of that on here. And I'm going to get that all worked in. Okay, I'm going to throw about 3 sprigs of thyme in here. My last thing, I'm going to use a little bit of the garlic. Okay, I'm going to just flop that around a little bit. Okay, we're going to sit this to the side while we season our chicken. Okay, I got some chicken thighs here. I am putting on a Zaatar seasoning right on top of this chicken. I got a little bit of Be Sure to Seasoning Blend on here. Okay, my pan is nice and clean. It's just got the look. You can tell I've been using it, but believe me, I clean the heck out of these pans. Got some Nonstick cooking spray on there so nothing won't stick. Okay, I've got my olive oil that I'm going to take about a couple of teaspoons maybe on here. You can use about a teaspoon or 2. After I sprayed my pan and I toss my vegetables, I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it down on this big sheet pan, getting everything out. Oh, look at that, guys. You want to put those sprigs of thyme in different places where everybody can have a sprit. So then I'm just going to lay my chicken. So I'm putting one in each corner. I'm going to put this big one in the middle and then one on each end. Put it on 350. Put it 45 minutes to an hour. Look at it. Make sure your chicken is nice and done and your vegetables are nice and tender and cooked. All right, guys. 30 to 45 minutes. This is my finishing sheet pan chicken with grapes, shallots, and vegetables. Vegetables contain potatoes, carrots, shallots, grapes, and mushrooms. Okay, guys, let's dig into this. Got my little piece of chicken. This is for myself. Make sure you want to look for your thyme, and you want to dig in here and get all your little thyme out. You want to throw that in the garbage. You don't need that. Let's get in here and get some of the grapes, some of the potatoes and the carrots. Oh, that garlic's already in there. You want to get some of these mushrooms in here. There we go. Okay, guys, and this is our sheet pan chicken. I I hope you enjoyed this dish as much as I am about to. And I hope you love everything that we're doing today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because guess what? I didn't make this sheet pan chicken alone. I made this sheet pan chicken with you and me. We did this together. You and me, we made this sheet pan chicken. And we can make plenty more dishes. Hey guys, come back next time so we can make plenty more. See you later. Bye.